Hello students, today we will learn the subtraction of rational numbers. So this is one of the important concept you must learn. So let us see the rule. So rule is very simple. Anyhow we are learn the addition of rational numbers. So there is little change in this. So already you learned the integers, then it will become very easy to subtract the rational numbers. So the rule is, in subtraction of rational numbers, add the additive inverse. So what actually you have to do? You have to reverse it. Add the additive inverse. Like we add the additive inverse of integers. In case of integers. So add the additive inverse of rational numbers to be subtracted. So which rational numbers you have subtracted? So its additive inverse you have to just add. So as you are adding the additive inverse, then follow the rules of addition of rational numbers. So what are the rules of addition of rational numbers? Denominator should be same. If not, if it is same, then go for second step. Add only numerators. In numerators, you will get integers. Why? Because we will have negative rational number also and positive. And add only numerators by keeping common denominator. So let us take one example. So find 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4. So this is very simple example as denominators are same, and first of all we have to see, we have to add the, so here we have to add the additive inverse of rational numbers to be subtracted. So this number you have to subtract from this. So what you have to do? First rational number keep as it is, then add. Instead of subtraction we have to add. So better we will put here bracket. So this is the sign of subtraction. It is not a sign of 5 by 4. We have here positive 5 by 4. So we have to add the additive inverse of 5 by 4. Additive inverse means what? Just you have to reverse the sign. It has a plus sign, make it minus. Minus 5 by 4. So then follow the rules of addition of rational numbers. So it is same like integers. Keep denominator same and just add only numerators by keeping the denominator same, common 4. So 3 plus minus 5. So as we have the integers, in integers suppose one is positive, one is negative, then we have to subtract them. So here you have to be very careful. In integers, addition, it doesn't mean that you have to add only. It depends on the sign of integer, whether it is positive or negative. So you have to subtract this. 5 minus 3 is 2, and you have to give the sign of greater in this greater digit. So which is the greater digit here? Minus. Ignore the sign, and 5 is the greater. So its sign you have to give. Divide by 4. If you want, you can reduce this into the lowest form. Otherwise, you can keep as it is, or 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Now let us take one more example. 10 by 12 minus 2 by 12. So you have to add the additive inverse of rational number which is to be subtracted. So here we have the two rational numbers, 10 by 12 positive and one more negative, that is minus 2 by 12. So 10 by 12 keep as it is and add. Instead of subtraction, add the additive inverse of minus 2 by 12. So additive inverse of minus 2 by 12 is, just change the sign, it is plus 2 by 12. Now follow the rules of addition of rational numbers. So denominator should be same, denominator is same, keep denominator same, then go for second step. If not, then go continue this step. Add only numerators by keeping common denominator. 12, then 10, and we can add these two. And here both are having positive, so we can add them 12 and sign of greater digit, that is 10 plus upon 12. So it will get cancelled. You can get the answer as 1. And 1 is also rational number, remember. Now we'll take example where we have the different denominators. So let us take example 5 by 3 minus of 2 by 6. So here 5 by 3 minus 2 by 6. This is also positive, this is also positive. So here we have the different denominators. We have to convert into the same denominators. But before that, we will follow the first rule. We have to add the additive inverse of second. So 5 by 3 as it is. Add, convert this addition, subtraction to addition. Additive inverse of 2 by 6, that is minus 2 by 6. So now we can see here use the rule of addition of integers. Denominator should be same, isn't it? They are not same, so we'll make them same by finding the LCM. LCM of 3 and 6. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are, so 3 2s are 6. So we got here 6 as LCM. So we have to bring here 6 by multiplying with certain number. So 5 by 3, 3 into how much is 6? 2s are. So here also you have to multiply with same number. Plus minus 2 by 6, already we have 6. You can keep 6 as it is, or you can multiply with 1. So that we got a 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, that is our LCM. Then 2 5s are 10, 3 2s are 6, plus 2 1s are 2, minus plus multiplication of integers, you should know, upon 6. So is it same like this? Now we are converting into the integers of same denominators. So keep denominators common, then add only the numerators. So here we have one is positive, one is negative. When one is positive, negative, they get subtracted. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So sign of greater digit. Ignore the signs and see which is greater, 10 or 2. 10 is greater. So its sign is plus. No need to write the plus sign. Suppose it is having the minus sign, then you must write here upon 6. You can keep this answer as it is. Otherwise, you can convert this into the lowest form. So common factor is 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Now we here don't have the common factor other than 1. So this is the answer.